Back to Deutsch Tech. Today we have a BMW X6 M in for a H&R lowering kit. So a little bit different to what we usually do because the rear is on air, front is on coils. So what we've got is an adjustable front spring. So what you do is remove the original spring, then this sits down on the bottom. This is a much shorter spring than standard. This sits there and you can adjust the ride height of it. So that's the front. And on the rear, because it's on air, the rear of the car is controlled by height level sensors. So what we do is we fit these, and what they do is they're adjustable to trick the sensor into thinking it's at the same height as it was, but it's not. So we will fit these, put them on, and it will lower it dependent on how far apart these 2 points are. So the customer wants it as low as it can go, so I'll get the adjuster wound right down on the front, see how the front sits, and then get the rear to match. So I'll start pulling it apart and we'll see how we get on. So that's the X6M all wrapped up. We have fitted the H&R adjustable front springs. I've put them to their lowest setting like the customer asked me to. We've adjusted the rear. We're going to test drive it, see if the front settles a little bit and make any final adjustments. This vehicle has been in with us previously for some exhaust work. So we've also fitted some spaces. We've done 20mm on the front and 15mm on the rear, which gives it a nice stance. So we're going to give it back to the customer, let him drive it around for a little bit. If he wants us to tweak it a little bit, we will do that for him. But yep, that's it, it's all done.